Closed captioning for Great Tastes is presented by Manitoba Turkey Producers. Make it with turkey. Manitoba Liquor Mart presents Great Tastes of Manitoba. Great Tastes is brought to you by greattastesmb.ca. Local farms, local foods. Great Taste is sponsored by Manitoba Agriculture. Welcome to Great Tastes of Manitoba. We are here tonight with Manitoba Turkey Producers and effortless, tasty turkey meals. Chef Jason Wortzman is here. We're going to get to the recipes in just a second. And Manitoba Liquor Mart's product ambassador, Aaron Alblas, is going to do some beverage pairings for us in just a little bit. Effortless, tasty turkey meals. Effortless. Now that's really quite the claim. So how will we be making meals effortlessly tonight with turkey?
Well, not a lot of ingredients and short cooking times and just everything really fresh and simple.
Okay, so our first one is a Mexican cassoulet.
Yes.
Okay, and it's got lots of different colors and we'll talk a little bit more about cassoulet. I've got a lot of questions for you. Mm-hmm. And then we have the Greek slow-cooked turkey roast on a pita. Mm-hmm. Okay, any surprises with that?
Yeah.
Pretty straightforward?
No, well, it's turkey instead of what's usually chicken or pork. And
right.
It's marinated lemon and oregano.
Sounds like it could work. And then slow-cooked meat sauce, baked rigatoni, which looks super impressive.
Yeah.
Okay, looking forward to that. Thoughts? You're going to go all renegade on us again here?
Yeah, we're going to do a little bit more globe-trotting. Not really a theme necessarily, more matching with the flavors that Chef has put together. Little teaser, we will be doing a aged rum cocktail with the pita, which might sound hard, but like Chef Jason says, it's really effortless.
Sounds great. Okay, here we go. So we have our Mexican cassoulet. Tell us about what this is.
Okay, well, cassoulet in French is really, it's a cooking vessel. So it's usually, it's an oven-proof cooking dish. We're gonna use a skillet today.
Okay.
And oven-proof, of course. What I love about this is you can do this on the barbecue, you can throw it in the oven, or just do it on the stovetop like we're doing today.
Okay, so super versatile. Okay,
yeah.
So we've got that. And then, so how do we build this? Where do we start?
Well, we start with our main ingredients is a cranberry chipotle turkey sausage.
Okay, this is like a brand new product. So tell us about this because it sounds like there's a lot going on with it. Mm-hmm.
It's so it's turkey thigh meat and it's got dried cranberries in it and it's got chipotle peppers in it. So it's nice and smoky and spicy at the same time.
And a little bit sweet, I guess, too.
Yeah, and a little bit sweet with the cranberry.
Ooh,
yeah, so
that's...
lots of elements to it. It's
sounds very promising.
Nice.
And you've actually kind of got some started here.
I do, yeah. So I'm just going to take a little bit of canola oil here and throw it in the pan.
So cassoulet, not so much the dish, but the actual like vessel that it's cooked in. Or cassoulet, sorry, I'm saying it wrong.
Yeah, cassoulet, and it's just, I mean, depending on what you're cooking, it can be cooked for a very long time. Or not so long. Yeah. And,
I'm not stressed about this. You're a professional.
Yeah, no, we're good here.
All right.
So, so just going to get a little bit of color on this. I started it ahead of time just to speed things up a bit.
For sure.
Yeah, and then we've got some red onion here.
All right, peak of the market again. And we're going to have some red peppers in there shortly, also peak of the market.
Yeah, also peak of the market, yeah.
Okay. So is this a long cooking sort of dish?
No, not at all. This is literally 10, 15 minutes, even shorter because I've cooked the sausage a little bit ahead of time. Okay.
That was kind of a test because it's all supposed to be effortless. So, okay,
it is,
good.
Yeah.
So you passed, all right.
Yeah, so we have some black beans here, and these are
lovely.
Just cooked black beans. You can use them out of a can, or you can soak them overnight and cook them on the stovetop.
So you're a chef. I mean, like, would you normally use beans out of a can, or do you kind of like to go, No,
I often use them out of a can. There's lots of really good, high-quality canned beans out there nowadays.
Okay.
They're really nice, yeah.
All right.
And then I've got a little bit of corn here, and I've actually taken this right off the cob. You could use frozen corn, you could use canned corn.
There it is again.
I got a very small amount in there, just because it's sweet as well. So you don't want to make this, if you had too much corn, the dish would just be a little too sweet.
Well, it's just, I mean, it's such a fun-looking dish, so incredibly colorful as well. And I guess, so okay, well, what's that? What's that?
So this is cumin here.
Okay.
So classic Mexican seasoning here.
Right.
Cumin. and paprika too.
Ooh.
Lots of paprika there.
Regular paprika, smoked paprika.
This is regular. If I mean, you've already got the smoked chipotle peppers,
Okay.
so not really necessary there.
Yeah,
a
so it's
little
all
bit
about
of
balancing it out.
sea salt in there,
Okay.
and then some black pepper here. Yep.
Look
And
at
then
that.
to finish it off, just a little bit of stock here. So a little bit of turkey stock. You could use chicken stock as well,
Okay.
if you wanted to.
So what happens now? Like obviously we stir this all in.
Yeah,
And then here, would you
yeah,
like
and then
to
it can
take
just
that
simmer.
over?
Yeah, and it
Okay.
can just simmer for a little bit here till everything's cooked.
Okay.
And but like I said, you can put it in the oven to finish it, or you can put it on the barbecue,
And
whatever
then
you like.
serving it up. We have
Yeah,
some,
serving up like when a fresh tortilla is great. You can serve it with a little bit of rice, even in a hard taco shell. There's just many things you can do with it.
lots and lots
whatever
of
you
stuff
like.
you can do. Yeah.
And then to finish it, I love to put a little bit of fresh cilantro for flavoring.
It's like every color of the rainbow, just
Yeah,
about.
it's
And I'm already
really
thinking how good that
nice
would be
color.
like the next
Yeah.
day at work or whatever. Okay, fantastic. So there we have it, Mexican cassoulet. All
Yes.
right, I got it finally
Yeah.
at the end of the recipe. Next up, we have a Greek slow-cooked turkey roast on a pita. Always great products from Manitoba turkey producers. We'll be right back here on Great Tastes of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by Manitoba Liquor Mart. Enjoy responsibly.